Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it is quite interesting to note that Windows 11 24H2, which technically is a Windows Insider build because it's not yet officially released, is being pushed to 24H2. The preview updates are being pushed to 24H2. And this is my Insider machine, Windows Insider, and you can see here, cumulative update preview for 24H2. It has a slight different number than the one for 23 and 22H2, which is KB5040529. But they are treating 24H2 on Windows 11 pretty much like they are treating all the other versions, as if for them it's already a done deal, an official build. So I've never seen that before. We got the Patch Tuesday updates with security, and now we're getting the bug fixes if you look at Windows updates. So it is interesting. This means that for Microsoft, even though the official release is September or October, or as they say in their documentation, late 2024, they are really treating this build as if it was officially released, even for the official Windows 24H2. And it's kind of interesting also. I don't know if it maybe has to do with the fact that they've already released the 24H2 for ARM, and they have to do this way. But I find that interesting because they haven't done that before. Usually when a build was not officially released, it receives updates from the Windows Insider builds, but it doesn't receive the same Patch Tuesday or update preview bug fixes as the standard user builds. So kind of interesting. So I guess 24H2 is pretty much officially a thing for them if they treat it that way. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.